Good morning. This is my view this morning. It is so cold. It rained a little last night for maybe half an hour. Not long, not hard. But it did wake me up. And then last night, about 4 in the morning, I heard something like on my roof. And I believe there's like two cats, I guess, that live in the trailer park. They look like they're really well taken care of, because they were around this morning staring at me. And I think it was them. Or squirrels. I mean, I'm not afraid. I didn't think it was some big bad monster or anything. But, yeah. So it's February 2nd. It's about 7:30. I just went to the bathroom and I made some tea. And now I'm going to sit here until it warms up a little, make some breakfast, and then we're going to go on a nice trail walk today. My legs feel a lot better today. I think from not really walking that much yesterday. A day of rest had helped. They're not as sore. I did take ibuprofen too again last night before I went to bed. So I think my body's getting used to it. It's the only thing, when I go back home, I'm going to have to keep it up. 'Cause I'm going to enjoy my tea, and I'll see you when we go for a walk. Bye. Just drinking water? I mean, there's dirty dishes and there's really no food. I'm going to give them some. I have some tuna fish. I'm going to give them some tuna fish later. Aren't they beautiful? I feel so bad for them being out here. Like an Eskimo almost. I cooked my breakfast outside. I cooked bacon and eggs. I was really looking forward to it from thinking about it yesterday. And I did manage to cook it. And I made some nice hot tea and put it in my Yeti cup so it'll stay hot. Ding, I don't know why I thought of that before. And I'm sitting in here with the heater on. It's a little nippy outside because of the wind. When the sun gets totally up, I'm going to get dressed and go for a walk, and that'll warm me right up. So I'm going to sit here for a little bit. It's about 10:30, and I will talk to you all in a little bit. Sunglasses. It's 40 degrees outside, and I am dressed and ready to go for a walk. I'm going to head to the walk about a half a mile from camp to get to the trails, which is no big deal. But I have to come by the waterfalls, because across the street from this little booth is where the trails began. That's where we came into the park. And then up that way was where the campground is. Isn't that beautiful? I just love the sound of it. I have to come down here later too one day and just hang out here and sit. Bring my chair. The thing over there tells you about the falls. Check it out later. I'm on a trail hunt right now. Alright. I'm trying not to huff and puff so much in the thing. I am getting not so huffy and puffy, I noticed. Alrighty. I'll meet you at the trails. This is so gorgeous. I'm going to take some pictures and I'll call you back. I'll get back with you. bit. Say goodbye to the waterfall. Boy, is it beautiful. Alrighty, let's go for this beautiful woods. I'm out here all by myself. It's just beautiful. You can hear the water because it's just right over there. Right over there. We're just coming around the bend. Yeah. I figure I'd take you for a little walk. Wow. Look at, I love the pine forest. I love the flora of a pine forest. It's just so neat. Oh my God. They have arrows pointing everywhere. Over there some, over there. It's like that back over there. I just don't know what one to take. Alright, let's take this one here. Take the low road. You take the high road. I'm gonna meet you in Scotland. Oh, I'd love to go to Scotland. I don't know. Let's see where this trail leads. These trails might all intertwine together, but I left my map at home, so I really don't know. Gotta make sure I don't get lost. Remember which way I'm coming back. Wow. It truly is nice in here. Can't take too much because I'm running out of room. I got one more video. I do have room because I downloaded 2 videos so I can get rid of that stuff. More beautiful nature. Just beautiful nature. It tells about it. I'm going to show it to you. You can always pause to read. I noticed that when I was reading this, hang on, let me do this first so I'll make sure y'all get it if you want to read it. This is where we were at, and it says the remains of an early 20th century hydroelectric plant. Oh, my husband's calling. About 2:30. Whew, I left at 12. Very nice walk. It's 45 degrees, and now I know, I'm figuring it out. Why is it so much colder? I'm higher up the mountain. And it is colder higher up the mountain. Whew. I'm sitting in the van right now with the heat on, warming up. Oh, what a lovely walk. I took out the chicken because I'm going to have a chicken sandwich, a barbecue chicken sandwich for lunch. Just thought it would maybe get some room temperature. I may have to heat it up on the thing. I don't want to eat it ice cold. And I'm probably going to take a little nap. Yeah. Woo. Beautiful day, though. Beautiful day. Beautiful walk. So well worth it. We're going to take another one tomorrow, but it goes to an old site. Yeah, going to try that one tomorrow. And then I think the next day I won't go nowhere. I'll just stay here. I don't want to. I think 2 days walking, rest a day. That seems to be working for me. So, I will talk to you all later. Bye. I woke up to a little kitty crying. I put some food out there. It's right there, and some tuna fish. And she was sitting up on that log right there. And she ran off. And I only seen the one. I think she was crying for her friend. I think they probably live in that neighborhood over there. Because they look healthy. They don't look like they're, you know, I don't know. I don't know why they're not allowed inside the house. You know, maybe they are and they're just out running around. I don't know. Oh, I hear it again. I hear one over here. I just heard another one over here meowing. I might be hearing things right. I could have swore I just heard the other one meowing. I don't know. I'm putting some charcoal in my little firefly. I put a couple of big rocks down there so that the charcoal is more closer to the top than to the bottom. You know, you're only cooking one hamburger. You know, you don't need to fill it up, right? I hear it, yeah. Let's go over here and see if we hear that cat. Yeah, I see her. She's right right over there, because she's a white one. The other one kind of blends in. But she's just sitting there crying. See her? I think she's like right in there. Meow meow. Like she's sitting in the sun closing her eyes. Lord, imagine going home with another cat. I don't know. I'll let you all know what happens there too. She kind of blends in. But I think they'll find that tuna fish. I should go out there and put the whole can out. I think she was looking for her friend. She was looking for her friend. That's what she was crying for, her friend. Where are they? Oh, they walked off into the woods. See her right there. Wanted her friend. Oh, how precious. Oh, they're rubbing on each other. Oh, sorry, I was looking. Kitties are eating. They're hungry. Look how hungry they are. They spreaded it all out so they could share it. That'll fill their bellies tonight. They'll go sit somewhere and bathe and bask in the sun. Wish I had somewhere warm to put them. I let them come in the camper, but I don't think they would like it. But they'd be more than welcome to sleep in there. Poor babies. People that have cats, I hope these weren't abandoned or something, because you know what? That really pisses and sickens me to no end. I'm just hoping that these are cats that live. They act too hungry. They act way too hungry. Well, I got plenty of tuna fish and chicken in a can. So while I'm here, you're going to eat every day. They look pretty healthy, though. I mean, they don't look skinny. They look healthy. Kind of afraid of people. Darker one without the white has a hurt leg. I mean, it looks like it's been hurt a while and it's set that way. I'm going to give them some more tuna. Second can. I'm not going to give them any more because if they haven't eaten in a while, that might hurt them. But they don't look like they're starving. I mean, they act like it, but they don't look it. Maybe they're just newly, I don't know. They're afraid of people, so I kind of think that perhaps they're feral and they've been living out here, and campers feed them. And that's why they sit out and meow outside your gate or your house. But I don't know who's doing that. I think she was crying for the other one, because when I got up, I came out here, I could only see the one. And she wouldn't come near the food until the other one showed up. Precious babies. I don't know, they wouldn't get along with my cats. And I can't afford to fix any more cats. Oh my God, everybody brings me their cats to fix. I just can't do it. Last one I got fixed cost $600. Between all the shots and everything else. My husband thinks it only cost... Oh, look at her. She's coming. She's coming. Psst, 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 psst. Come on. Come on, kitty, kitty, kitty. Psst, 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 psst. Where are you? Come on. Come on. Come on. Psst, 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 psst. Smelling. Smell my hamburger cooking? I know. You need a home. See, he's got his bad foot there. I don't want to give you any more. Oh, see, you might have eaten too much. If I can get them, I'm taking them. Come on. Psst, 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 psst. Come on, kitty, kitty, kitty. Come on. No. I don't know. Now it's just going to worry me to death. Oh, Lord, I got to get back up. Oh, my... Ugh. Boy, the older you get, the harder it is to get back up. I'm not going to hurt you. I'd never hurt you. I know you don't know some chicken, barbecue chicken, wiped the sauce off it and chopped it up and gave it to them. But that's all they're going to get. They can have more tomorrow. Poor things. God, they love each other. Sitting in the sun, keeping each other warm. Yeah. You forget how cold it is up on the mountain. That's why it's been 45 all day. Pretty cold out. I went for my walk, and that's about the only outside time I had. Hopefully it'll be warmer tomorrow. Alrighty, I'm gonna eat my hamburger and watch some videos. My neighbor's right there. They're in a road trek, I think that's what that is, with a high top on it. Those are nice too. I wouldn't mind having one of those. I'd be happy for that for a lot longer than this thing. The only bad thing about this is you can't stand up when you're in it. You know, if you're in it because of a rainy day or like a chilly day today, you have to sit. And you have to do all your cooking and everything outside, which is not bad. I gotta go. I'm running out.